¿Para qué me mires? I don't really know how long now.
So hello guys, welcome again with a new video. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to remain updated. Also like this video after watching it. Please follow us on TikTok and Instagram. The handle is Dr. Buzz Lectures. So let's start today's topic. Today's quiz are regarding Kreb cycle. So here are some important questions which I noted down to review the Krebs cycle lecture, and you should know these basics. So let's start with the first question. Alpha ketoglutarate is converted into succinyl CoA with the help of which enzyme? It is a simple answer. It is alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase. If you know the Krebs cycle, these are the simple answers you should know. You should learn enzymes. The second question is isocitrate is converted into alpha ketoglutarate by the help of which enzyme? Citrate is converted to isocitrate, then to alpha ketoglutarate with the help of isocitrate dehydrogenase. It's also simple. I hope you got it. So here's a little bit tough question. The major type of regulation of Krebs cycle. Which type of regulation Krebs cycle follows? Have any idea? So let me tell you that it is allosteric regulation. Allosteric regulation is substrate and product of the pathway molecule involved in energy transfer or activate or inhibit an enzyme in way that allow for appropriate responses by the cell to energy states. The fourth question is last step of Krebs cycle regenerates. What is the last product of Krebs cycle? It's oxaloacetate, which again converted into citrate with the help of pyruvate, which convert into acetyl coenzyme. Then the fifth question is Krebs cycle generates how many NADH, FADH and GTP. Let's see how many ATPs. So as we know that NADH produces 3 NADH produced in Krebs cycle, so it produces 9 ATPs. FADH, 1 FADH is produced, so it produces 2 ATP, and 1 GTP, so it produces 1 ATP molecule. In total we get 12 molecules of ATP in Krebs cycle because we produce 3 NADH, 2 FADH, 2 and 1 GTP. So next move on to the next question, which is oxaloacetate plus acetyl CoA into citrate uses which enzyme? It is citrate synthase. It is the first process of the Krebs cycle, or we can say behind the doors it happens to convert citrate from where the Krebs cycle starts. Citric acid cycle take place in which is very important question. It takes place in mitochondria. Next, last question is one glucose molecule produce how many acetyl coenzyme? As we know that one glucose produces 2 pyruvate, so it will produce 2 pyruvate will be converted into 2 acetyl coenzyme. So these were some simple questions regarding Krebs cycle. Now we will move on to the MCQs. So let's see some MCQs. So here are some MCQs I got, which also appeared in USMLE exams. As I know that USMLE exam got big descriptions, so to get a clear version of it, I wrote it in simple words or wrote main question of it, so you get easily. So the first question is Krebs cycle happens in, I also told you in previous questions that it happens in mitochondria. So the second question is which reaction uses vitamin B5 as cofactor? Please understand vitamin B5. Let's discuss all the options. First is pyruvate into the alanine. So pyruvate into alanine uses vitamin B6. Pyruvate into lactate uses vitamin B3. Pyruvate into oxaloacetate uses biotin. So the last option is left, which is true, that pyruvate into acetyl CoA uses vitamin B5. Let's go on to the last question. Similarity between alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase and pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. The answer of this question is both requires the same cofactor, which is A. Both are part of Krebs cycle. No, they are both are not part of Krebs cycle. The byproduct is same. No, the byproduct is not same. One is alpha ketoglutarate, one is pyruvate, and both produces ATP, which is also wrong. One produces NADPH and one produces uh, consumes ATP. So these were some questions which will clear your all queries. Please note them down or repeat again. If you have any other question, go and check on the internet. But these were some questions which are very important, and you will clear all your queries with these questions. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.
But give me readers.